Start. My interest in basic education goes back to the day when Mahatma Gandhi convened a conference at Wardha for discussing this subject. Stop. A few prominent educationists and workers in the cause of national education had also been invited to attend this conference. Stop. I have been in touch with the progress of this system of education ever since. Stop. I am therefore happy to have got this opportunity to come here and speak to you about what I feel about this problem, although I know I might be repeating the views expressed by me earlier. Stop. It is also likely that the views which I express are not in consonance with those of others. Stop. Particularly of educationists. Besides, it is also to be seen how far my views fit in with the policy which is being pursued by the central and state governments in this connection, and how far it is practicable to modify that policy. Stop. Therefore, I hope what I am going to say will be taken as my personal opinion and that you will discuss it as such with an open mind without fear or favor. Stop. It will be agreed that the system of education right from the first primary class to the highest university course which we are following today is the same as introduced by the British government in this country. Stop. We have not been able to introduce any fundamental change in that system even after the attainment of independence. Stop. It is pointless to blame anyone for it because the peaceful manner in which the transfer of power took place made it inevitable that, along with the governmental machinery and other things, the system of education should also come to us as a heritage of the old regime. Stop. It is now our duty to give thought to each one of these problems and decide in the light of present day. Stop. Condition how they can be solved and then to act upon what we have decided. Stop. There is no doubt that in introducing this system of education, the principal motive of the British government was to secure as much advantage as possible for establishing itself in this country. Stop. The Britishers also thought that as compared to their own culture and literature, there was nothing much in Indian culture and literature which might be said to be worth preserving. Stop. There is no doubt in course of time their views underwent some change. Stop.